Tiger's Curse by Colin Keith is about Kelsey, an 18-year-old high school graduate that decides to get a summer job. It wasn't any normal job, but she actually decides to work at a local circus that's going to be there for around 2 weeks, and she's asked to watch over the tiger. She quickly falls attached to him, but doesn't feel danger. After a few days or so, some mystery man named Mr. Kadam purchases Ren and offers Kelsey a job opening to help him deliver him safely in an Indian reservoir. It actually turns out to be a chaotic lie that where she is left in the middle of nowhere with this tiger, which turns out to actually be Dren, a prince that was cursed for about 300 years, and she's the only one that could actually help him. He has only 24 minutes of every day to turn back into a human form and asks Kelsey to please consider and help him, because she's the only one that can break this curse, apparently to Durga, the goddess. What really got me hooked into the book was that it was really unique, and it talked about the culture and the historical mythology about India. What I really had to complain about is that it was really badly paced. Nevertheless, the adventures were pretty amazing and well detailed, but the parts of romance, it was really difficult figuring out if Kelsey was either mad at Ren or just falling more in love with his charm. I was really losing interest throughout the book, where Colin decided to take 2 full chapters talking about how Ren is an amazing hunter, and it was just a waste of time. Other than that, I really enjoyed the book just because it wasn't any ordinary thing that I'm normally used to read, especially being from an exterior country. But I really wouldn't recommend it to just about anyone to read it. But maybe the rest of the saga will be more exciting, since supposedly the at the beginning of the book it talks about the person at Kristen, and it will talk about how he later on is gonna go after her in order to stop her from turning Ren back into his normal form as well as his brother. But before I spoil it, thanks, and this is my book review.